Bloody hell.
I'm bathing the lightning's rain wrap now. Got more than I bargained for. I lost some of the rainfall rates with this.
Torrential, isn't it? Look at it.
Oh, look, it's fucking blowing right down that side now. Grab us that bag, Gary, can you?
Yeah, I tried holding the fag and my hands are that wet.
Oh. Fuck, we had no blue round there and fucking so look in 2 seconds.
Don't go and hit the pavement.
I didn't thought I was going to stop as well. Hey, get on, mate.
Did you bring your shampoo?
Again, I wouldn't advise an umbrella because obviously that's a lightning conductor. But
I'm enjoying this, so I fucking love the old thunderstorm.
I love thunderstorms, I do.
It's going in a minute, that's the last little bit coming through, yeah. Another top on the bit, at least I can put that on.
Mind, I ain't seen a thunderstorm like this and since my April storm back in May.
Since what?
Since the storm I got an April.
April, yeah, I haven't been there. I got banned from April for getting my cock out.
My dad tends to go to the Broads quite a bit. I was
banned from there as well for getting my cock on my arse out there. Where you come from anyway?
I got the bus from Yarmouth.
Oh, what, just to have a day up there?
Yeah. I thought and down here would be the best part for the thunderstorms, which is a good.
Where you live in Yarmouth?
Yeah. And yes, I was at Ludden Bridge.
Do they still do the fireworks through the summer?
Yeah, and Wednesday night.
Wednesday night, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know that? Every Wednesday through the summer, yeah.
That's through the school holidays they do it, don't you, I think?
Yeah, and Hemsley's a Tuesday night.
When the school holidays.
Yeah. Make sure nothing in there get wet. Got my stone and everything in there as well. Well, it is a bit chilly now, I've got fucking soaked, yeah.
Yeah, and there's a cell there. Cell there.
Wind stopped again now.
That's been wet for sleeping tonight, and it's got a lovely cool thing about it. The last few nights have been fucking horrible, and